Tamaklo Eni and Komo was actually a director of legal affairs for the NDC. Council, I don't want to make a good morning.
Mr. Speaker,
so congratulations will be in order because you fought a good fight, right?
Yamena yede asida ni kabia edebemano. Yede sebio ubine kanye. We are basically pencils in the hands of God. The open in our audience eye. Na yebeda unyankopon ase. Se waye wama ahito feel. Neshishe nepo ina ayekwa. Menim de make me aye ediada otwedian ponyankopon ase. Menim. Honestly, menim.
Very well.
Asida any other man.
My yamra the genesis of this whole case. Now, you say in the trial court, which is the high court, no, more file an application of no case. Justice what you say so etna application so ekasi there be as I say more as defense counsels no more open more defense now I feel more responded to a lot of the queries and then a year concerns a year attorney general are raising ma yenshas yen free ho na will be a wonya the benefit 8 year for the very first time no I mean baby a nkomo yi eshas ye free year any baby a be brene.
You see, okay, so would you remember a brief of background? So somewhere November 2017, in a speaker okay, a friend honorable Ato Forson, sir, when you crack a BFP, you are inviting honorable Forson. And she offered me November 2017. I think, say, the 2018 budget had just been read. And she, Speaker Efren, also, 1 year later, she Yoko. And she made sense, okay. And yes, Yanya Dia Ebeko. And she made me senior Dr. Ayene. With me, in a day, Honorable Ato Forson, Echo Yoko. Since you are calling, and almost so, Onipa or you in charge, no, I think you were then the deputy executive director, and your full court top on your corner. And you do honor also, Yantnas, Yana, no castle, case we have or more investigate. Na, Ompe say, Omumu the ruler, Honorable Forson. Into what I think so call it one other investigator. No mobile. Jomobile Anna will be you. Honorable role Ben I will play in this matter. And also now me a deputy minister of finance. And I'm a boss. And I make sure letter you on his behalf. You share letter and I make sure it is stated for the minister. She has set up LC. And it was a request to BOG. After that, Ubia Clan Frame say else in Ukraine establish it, and now see establish it, see a bit and I am. That is the only thing I mean here. Any another letter say we are one we say else bank charges.
Yeah.
Into bank charges no. BOG should take the bank charges as well. This is the only thing I mean. Nothing more, nothing else. It's a mechanism and an entry, and yes, idea. On the my police for, like usually, caution statement. On the my, na yen fan kofi ni yen kotro. Yeshua ni yen fambra. So right there, I knew say a serious matter. Yoko will not ask us to go home and write our statement and bring it. It's and I may call Honorable Ato Forson. By that time, he had become the ranking on finance.
Okay.
And I may call this state. So I even presented a statement to Yoko. Mr. Speaker, from November 2017 Obia Fair Ato Forson until on the 19th of November 2021. Okaya, that was the day Kenofuriata presented the budget containing 11. Into one Ato Forson kasi 11 with the Yadi definition. So Echo Basano. Now guess so the budget was read on 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 25th. Yoko Acho, I'm a speaker, said they want Honorable Ato Forson. That's interesting. In Yoko Yana, the speaker too, okay, we are ready. The speaker can say, you're having a meeting at this conference center. In a Yoko followed by. It's a Yoko followed by an almost. They want to now take a charge statement. One will say usually we take a caution statement.
Yeah.
We hear what you saw of the court, then you take what is called a charge statement. Some say they want to take a charge statement from Honorable Ato Forson. That's a charge statement for what? For the past 4 years, you never even called us beyond this. So what has necessitated this? To be honest, something happened. Then I became alarmed. The Yoko officials who came, later on my friend, within 2 minutes, in an investigator no friend, me say, when you call every Attorney General Department, that they have to take the coaching statement there and there. That's something is amiss. Long and short of it, on the 22nd day of December 2021, now filed the charges
against him.
So January we started a trial. Attorney General called 5 witnesses. In to 2 million. Until we no more close your case as a fair enough. In a year submission of no case. Your one, you call back to court. Now, judge said this is a ruling. Now, or just say a prima facie case has been made. So, you open the defense. In your case, we disagreed with her. So, we quickly appealed the decision. Now, appealing decision, we said so no. We'll open our defense. So, we incline our minds. And they open your defense by calling 2 witnesses.
Okay, so Counsel, what actually happened? No, and it's going on an appeal. No, at the Court of Appeal. No, it was an opportunity you could use whilst the trial court. No, I mean, my opinion would defense so Honswa ascend no air course, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you see, usually when you appeal, you fair no interlocutory appeal.
Okay.
For filing interlocutory appeal, you can do what is called A. So you can stay the proceeding. But we took the decision there. We will nonetheless open our defense. We have no doubt whatsoever. So we called witnesses and they came and testified. After that, we closed our case. Then the second accused also opened his case. OP, me primary cross-examine. In a third accused, a trial, the cross-examination. Then issues started coming. Then Attorney General started. Then the man fell ill. Until we go India. It will go India now. AG, FLA, and Nole Prosecutor. At all material time, the AG brought the 2 people just so as to make the trial look like it's a genuine criminal trial. We have no doubt, sir. It is Ato Forson that he wanted.
I see.
But Ato Forson stand alone will create an impression. And therefore brought Jakpa and Wayne. Because as for Jakpa trial, it's the most unreasonable trial I mean who will be here. Why do I say so? Jakpa was an agent. Agent will say, who is agent for a particular entity. Hello.
Meet your counsel.
We are agents for a particular entity. Agents now we are for this entity. Only government of Ghana any contract. I will principal any government of Ghana and their all contracts.
Yes.
But what I say?
Yes.
You have never charged my principal for wrongdoing. One can say my principal here for you. Me am here agent man or no, and I would my basic court. Two, me agency fee I here to but you're telling you.
Meet your counsel.
Me principal call court. Me principal call court. So on treating me, court it take key evidence it go through full trial. Court you know, and our court we can say based on this or make it an order against me principal. Tell me principal and yeah then me a certain amount of money. So Jakpa was paid pursuant to an order of a court. One fetch your uncle abide so say abide to me. Two, abide to Kessben so ama Jakpa. Majority the American answer.
Exactly.
Abide to Kessben ama Jakpa. The person that was paid was Big C. Jakpa was even paid pursuant to the orders of the High Court.
For the agency fee and now SSC a demand, right?
That is it. Now, what the NACO court to say was causing financial loss to the state. I have never understood the involvement of Jakpa in this whole thing.
Very well. Very well. But counsel, the question again is that now that Court of Appeal are making the judgment, now what happens to the substantial trial? I don't know, ongoing with the High Court. Now,
mission aborted.
Very well. And no, a bit discontinued, right?
Mission aborted.
So what it means is that the AG is telling you, sir, we're preparing the grounds for a year an appeal at the Supreme Court. We are ready, sir. Mobile Namoni AG no FAC out in the Supreme Court.
The Attorney General at this material moment is not in the best of emotional health.
You believe so?
The Attorney General even issued his statement when he has not even read the judgment. How do you appeal a judgment you have not read? He's emotional. He had become emotionally attached to the case. Look, let me tell you something.
Meet your cousin.
You see, Godfred went heaven and earth to secure conviction against Ato Forson. He's extremely down. He's going through an emotional crisis. See, I'll tell you something. So there was a day at my menu, former Minister of Health, of Bakot. In fact, he was the third prosecution witness, I believe. Cross-examination. Yeah, pawn courts, no court. It's a PA court complex. And I mean, who is there? Senior might be at Mensa Femis or Semi Membra. And I may call it. Now, we introducing a woman. Enjoy Yana also, Eduji. I'm pleading on behalf of my boss. No, I'm saying, who is your boss? Also, the Minister of Health. No, I'm saying, why are you pleading? I said, look, pressure from Godfred. Now, Mekai said there was a day when he was supposed to come and testify one man on some grounds, and he was trying to find a way to run away from this case. Now I'm saying, I don't care. Or no, Adjumamenu, obey me our Godfred. So, obey Peninsula, my Godfred, a usina. He should live with his conscience. I don't care. Now I'm going to be feeble. Then later, became public. Say, Oko, Justice Yoni Kulenti Ho. Tell me you.
Meet your counsel.
Who say, Justice Yoni Kulendi, the cousin and the Jakpa. Into that Oko solicited the help of Jakpa to implicate Ato Forson. Now the issue is that Jakpa was an agent. Jakpa never dealt with Ato Forson. So how in God's name were you even expecting him to come and implicate Ato Forson? And now, that unbridled hatred, the targeting of Ato Forson by Godfred and his pawns. And then a man on that 9th April, of our phone, a friend reached Jakpa in the morning. That audio recording now is not a matter of public record. Trying to urge a particular view on Jakpa. But you see, in this life, Mr. Speaker,
Council.
Nyankopon kwa na hwe nipa so.
Kessben 92.9.
If you are one who wants to do it, you'll be shocked if you are the number of people who dislike you. But their dislike is not the dislike of Nyankopon. Yedie, you better utwedian po Nyankopon and the court of appeal. Any day omo ye endra. As die ni kabia any the more.
Very well. Council, I don't pay my man and now I say, Bibi any besani wedding come. I'm highly grateful. Very well. And lawyer Eduji Tamaklo, defense counsel Edema, the minority leader speaking to us, I don't pay.